Welcome to Study Loop.
I'm going to graph these right on the same axes. I'm going to do k of x in blue. So vertically, a vertical shrink by 1/2 and left 1 is how we would graph this. So starting with the point -4, 0, a vertical shrink of 1/2 stays put vertically, and then it goes left 1, so it goes to -5, 0. Another critical point would be -2, -4. Okay, half vertically would take you to -2, -2, and then left 1 would be -3, -2. 0, 0, half vertically stays put, left 1 takes you to -1, 0. So here's our partial parabola. Okay, and then we have the point 1, 5. Half vertically would be 1, 2.5, and then left 1 would be 0, 2.5. The point 3, 5, half vertically would be 3, 2.5, and then left 1 would be 2, 2.5. And then our last point at 4, 0, half vertically stays put, left 1 is at 3, 0. Okay, this is a vertical shrink by 1/2 and left 1. In green, I'll do h of x. We're going to reflect over the x-axis, that's the negative out front. We have a horizontal shrink by 1/2 because we're multiplying by 2 on the x inside the function, and we're going to go up 1. So starting with the original point, -4, 0, reflected over the x-axis stays put, horizontal shrink by 1/2. Okay, that takes it to -2 because we're shrinking to the y-axis. And then up 1 takes you to -2, 1. This minimum at -2, -4 over the x-axis is -2, +4. Shrink horizontally by half would take you to -1, 4, and then up 1 would be -1, 5. Zero, 0, reflect stays put, horizontal shrink stays put, up 1, 0, 1. So that is our parabola piece. The point 1, 5, reflect would be 1, -5. Horizontal shrink would be 1/2, -5, and then up 1 would be 1/2, -4. That's a straight line. The point 3, 5, reflect over the x-axis, 3, -5. Horizontal shrink, 1/2, -5. Up 1, -4. -1, 1.5. Okay, and then our final point, 4, 0, reflect stays put, horizontal shrink takes you to 2, 0, and then up 1 to 2, 1.